Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is an account executive. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is an account executive? An account executive is an employee who is primarily responsible for an ongoing business relationship with a client. Account executives are most commonly found in advertising, public relations, and financial services. In addition, technology companies that provide hardware and software support services assign account executives to significant customers. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report of what is an account executive is all about. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.